Hello children, factorization 5C. Today we are continuation part of 10th question and this is a class 9 maths ICSE board. So this is a cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. We have discussed 3-4 methods already, types of factorization. So this is also same splitting method kind of question. So now here a cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. Okay, so now here what we can do is a plus b whole so what is given to us? A cube plus 2a square, right? These two terms we can make this one as one group and this one as another group, but here minus is there, directly you cannot put the bracket. So from these two I can take a square as common. A will be left, plus 2 will be left, minus 1 as common, minus taken out, so plus a will be there, minus into minus plus 2. Okay, from these two again we can take a plus 2 as common, children, and the leftover one is a square minus 1. We cannot leave this one because we can also expand this one, and this is a plus 2 similarly as it is. This can be written as 1 square. So here again a square minus b square formula you have to apply, a minus b of a plus b. Okay, since you write the reason. Okay, what is the reason? A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. This formula we are applying here. Okay, the reason I am writing, it is mandatory. So this is the 10th question. Okay, next question is 11th question. What is 11th question? A plus b whole cube minus a minus b. It is not given my bracket. Okay, I'm just rewriting a plus b whole cube minus a minus b. So now I'm going to put these two terms in bracket, a plus b whole cube minus, I'm taking common, a minus into minus plus b. Okay, so here again from these two terms I can take a plus b as common. Now here what is the term left? A plus b whole square minus 1 will be left. Okay, so here again a plus b whole square means this one also we can convert into 1 square. Conversion in the sense we can write 1 as 1 square. Okay, a plus b is the first factor, and now from these two again a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square formula. Here again I am applying. So here a plus b minus 1 factor, other factor is a plus b plus 1. Okay children, that's all. Remove the square bracket and this is a plus b of a plus b minus 1, a plus b plus 1. I hope you understood this. Okay, next question is 12th question. This is completed. 12th question is a of a minus 1, b of b minus 1. Okay, so first you have to simplify what is given. So what is given here? A into a square, a into a minus b into b square, minus b square, minus b into minus 1 plus b. Okay children, now regrouping them, a square minus b square minus a plus b. Okay, now here again I can convert them, I can put them in bracket, a square minus b square in one bracket, minus I am taking as common, a minus into plus minus b will be left. From these two, now again we have to split this one square, difference of square, no? A minus b, a plus b, minus of a minus b. Okay, again from these two terms a minus b is common. What is left? A plus b and minus 1 is left. Okay children, this is the question number 12. Okay, so in this how many we have altogetherly? Only 19 to 20 questions are there. Okay, we'll see. Next question. Yeah, in this total 30 questions are there. Now 12th one also completed, children. Now I'll go to the 18th question. Remaining all questions are similar in this type only. Next we'll go to the 18th question. What is 18th question? A square plus b square minus c square minus d square plus 2ab minus 2cd. A square plus b square minus c square minus d square plus 2ab minus 2cd. This is the 18th question. Okay. Yes. So a square b square 2ab, c square d square 2cd. Yes, we can regroup them. Okay. Next now we'll write in order a square plus b square plus 2ab minus c square minus d square minus 2cd. Now this can be converted into a plus b whole square form, and here I will take minus as common. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus is common, c square plus d square plus 2cd. Okay, children. Now here I am keeping this one also in one bracket. Okay. Then now this can be converted into a plus b whole square. This one can be written as a c plus d whole square. Okay. You know, since a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Same formula I am applying for this also. Okay. Now this is in the form of difference of squares. So directly a plus b plus c plus d. Next a plus b plus minus whenever you are going to write minus, this one put in bracket a plus b c plus d. Okay. Next a plus b plus c plus d, and here a plus b minus c minus d. Okay, children, this is the 18th question. Okay, 19th also same like that only. We'll go to the next question. Different difficult method, like different method questions I'm teaching. If similar sums are there, you try to solve, children. Okay. Yes, 20th question. A square minus 1 into b square into, in the sense brackets are denoted by into only, no, it's a product only, no. B square minus 1 plus 4ab. So a square minus 1 we will multiply with this a square b square minus 1 into b square minus 1. This is a simple method of product of binomial into binomial. Okay, a square into a square b square. A square into 1 minus a square. 1 into b square minus b square. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 4ab. Okay, children. So now a square b square 4ab a square b square. We can convert them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. We will convert into 6 terms. Then we will factorize 3 terms. Okay. So here a square minus b square plus 1 plus 2ab plus 2ab we can write, because we need trinomials. Okay. So now a square b square and 1 and this one we will try to write in one place. What are those? A square b square plus 1 plus 2ab. Next, minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Now I'll make the groups of these three and these three. Okay. A square b square a I'm just repeating. A square b square plus 1 plus 2ab, and minus I'm taking as common a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, now this can be converted into ab plus 1 whole square. Okay, minus as it is, this one is as a minus b whole square. Okay, children. Now this is again difference of squares. Difference of squares is what? A minus a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so now this is a, this is b. So ab plus 1, for first step I am writing them into the bracket. Ap plus 1 plus a minus b. Next, ab plus 1 minus of a minus b. Okay, since a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so next question, ab plus, now we will remove the bracket, ab plus 1 plus a minus b. Here again ab plus 1 minus a plus b. This is the required answer. I hope you all are understanding well and practicing them well. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, children. Yeah, next question, 21st one. X to the power 4, x square plus 1. Okay, x to the power 4. This one, it is the power of 4, it is the power of 2. So in this case, these are only 3 terms and it is not a trinomial. Okay, so here we can do one thing, add and subtract by x square. Okay, if you add and subtract by x square, we can convert. Let us try. X to the power 4, x square plus 1 plus x square minus x square. Okay, adding and subtracting. You have to write reason. Adding and subtracting by x square. Okay, children. Yes. So now again x to the power 4 plus x square 2x square plus 1 minus x square. Okay. Next, these 3 terms we can convert into trinomial. Okay. So now x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. Okay, children. And now this is difference of squares. Now x plus x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay. Since what formula? Difference of difference of squares. A square b square, a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. Yes, children. Since here also, everywhere reasons you have to write, you have to mention surely. Okay, right. So here again I can remove the brackets. X square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, children. Now question number 27th. Question number 27th is x square plus 1 by x square minus 11. Okay, so minus 11, how can we convert? See, this is a square plus b square. So we need 2ab. So 2ab how will get? We need only 2ab means what? 2 into x into 1 by x. Correct? X cancelled. So what will be left? Only 2. So this we can convert into x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 minus 7. Sorry, 11 means 2 plus 9. Okay. So now I can write this into trinomial form. This one as square. What is this? X plus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by x whole square. And this one as 3 square. Got it? See, just I explained no 2ab term. 2 into x into 1 by x. X will be cancelled. So this will be the x minus 1 by x whole square. Then this is again difference of squares. Okay, so here now x minus 1 by x plus 3, x minus 1 by x minus 3 is the required answer. Okay, and 28 similar to this only, have to solve this. 29th question and 30, last question is 30. Yeah, question number 29. 4x to the power 4, x to the power 2, 12x, 36. Okay, this is 29th question. So let us check now. 4x to the power 4, and this can be converted into trinomial. So 4x to the power 4 minus is common, x square plus 12x plus 36. 36, 6, 6 are 36, 6 2s are 12. That means middle term is 12, correct. So 4x to the power 4 can be written as 2x square whole square. Can I write like that? Because we need difference, square of difference, no? So this I converted to x square whole square. And now this can be converted x plus 9 whole square. Okay? So now children, if you want this, you can do in rough work. How can you do? X square plus 2 into 6x plus 6 square. Correct? So x plus 6 whole square. This is not 9 children. 6. 6 6 are 36. Okay. So now this is difference of squares. So 2x square minus, we will put them in bracket first, x plus 6. Okay. Next 2x square plus x plus 6. Okay. We'll remove the bracket now. 2x square minus x minus 6. 2x square plus x plus 6, right? So again we can solve this one of the trinomial. Which one we can solve? Let us try this one. 3 6 2s are 12. So here again 2x square plus x plus 6. This trinomial, can you solve it? No. 2 6 are 12. So 12 factors are what? 4 into 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. Not there. Next 6 2s are 12. 6 minus 2. Not there. 6 plus 2. Not there. So this will be remain like that only. Next this can be, we will try this trinomial to split. Okay, minus 12x square. Minus 12x square factors we can take 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 x. Okay, 6 minus 2, 4x is not there. 6 plus 2, 8 is not there. So this will be applicable. What is that? Minus 4x plus 3x. Okay, this remains same, 2x square plus x plus 6, and here 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6. Okay, 2x square x plus 6 copying same, and from this 2x is common, x minus 2. From this 3 is common, x minus 2. Okay children, and now again 2x square plus x plus 6 as it is, and here x minus 2 is common. Okay, and the leftover is 2x plus 3. That's all the answer. Got it children? Yes, the last one is easy only, but let me complete it. You can also solve it very simple. It's directly given to us, b plus c common. So b plus c is common, a square left, b plus c whole square left, b plus c will be remains like that only, and difference of squares we got in bracket. Now we will directly write a square minus a b plus c. Okay, next here a square plus of b plus c. Okay, now b plus c remains same, and we will remove the inside brackets. A square minus b plus minus c, minus into plus minus, a square plus b plus c children. Okay, this is our required answer, and I hope you all understood very well.